Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. I have got an $87 888 lots box, and it looks like it is a home box. So all things used in the home, we're going to see if we can make money on it and see if we find some interesting items in here. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Okay, so I actually had a YouTube comment saying, I can't find $87 boxes or $90 boxes. Well, I don't buy these one at a time. I always buy them in batches of 4. So I'm spending sometimes $300-400 in order to buy them. And then this is $87 divided, into 4 parts. So 87 times 4 is what I paid for the whole batch. So if you're looking for one box, that's not going to happen. But if you buy them in batches of 4, you'll find them at the price that I'm saying. So we're going to see what's inside. This is all supposed to be brand new, which is why I like to buy these. A lot of times what I do is I put them in my watch list, and then I buy them when they get discounted. Oh, I love how full this is. So this looks amazing. So we've got some Frozen stickers, kind of 3-dimensional stickers. They're raised sticker sheet, yep. Lift to sniff. Aroma crystals, perfectly pomegranate. Smells good already.
Yeah, I know.
Then we've got a Yankee Candle. Those are always popular. Let's see what condition it's in. Candles always make me nervous because they're usually in glass jars. Paul's here as well. Oh, that looks great. Oh, that does not look great. What in the world?
That's weird.
That's super weird. Let's see
Melts.
Let's see what this condition of this candle is. I'm going to do this so I don't break myself if the glass is broken. So this is melted. It looks like it just oozed out a little bit. Well, maybe something oozed onto it. That it doesn't make any kind of sense. I mean, the candle is still fine.
Does it look?
It looks brand new on the inside.
It looks fine.
It looks like this came from the outside. Like another candle. But how to get through the box? Well, I guess that's kind of... Because there's a little bit of wax on the outside of the jar. Let me wipe my hands off.
I'm not exactly sure, Heather.
Yeah, that's kind of weird. Where's my paper towels here? I'm going to grab some paper towels and we're going to wipe off the outside of the jar. Because I think that jar is fine. I think something must have happened to another jar.
Maybe something right there. It's weird for it to...
Here, let me wipe it off. That's what I was thinking. Maybe it just came from the outside. Yeah, this jar is fine. There's no cracks, no nothing on this jar. I think another jar melted onto it.
I don't know what happened there.
Yeah, it's kind of weird.
It smells fantastic.
It does smell strawberry flavored. So, it is kind of odd. But this jar is fine. Okay.
Cool.
Well, we're going to do that. I'm going to move it over here. I will knock it off this table so fast. So, I'm going to move everything over.
Remember, kids, always keep your blade out
Listen.
when you're dealing with sharp weapons.
All right. Allergen Performance vacuum bags. So we'll scan that. Those usually sell the best on Amazon, so we'll see. Little hair ribbons. Yep, 24-piece coil, 2.5 length. Yeah, they're little hair bows. Cool. Then we've got Wall Friends. Doc McStuffin interlaced wall character. Oh, it lights up and talks.
Cool.
That is neat. Doc McStuffins was a really cute cartoon. I remember our youngest, Faith, used to watch it back in the day. This is what? Creepy Creatures Cats.
It's for a village.
Yeah. For like if you do a Halloween village.
Neat.
We've got some leaves. Wrong time of the year, but you never know. Crafters like stuff all year round. This is Westminster White Bell Party Accessory. So a little bell, one of those like accordion style ones that you open up. So, let's see, what is this? This is just a container. Paderno aluminum container. Is it on a slide or something? I'm just going to open it. Well, it's never been opened. Maybe scan it. We can maybe scan it and see if we can find a better picture than you guys trying to see it through the...
Just looks like a metal container. It's like an organizer.
Yeah. Yeah. It's a non-stick hinged rectangular loaf pan.
Oh,
for bread.
Mind. That is what it is.
Good deal.
Was it for bread?
It looks like it, yeah. Rectangular loaf pan, tin, cake tin. And it has a... Okay, so the bottom base is loose. So you can actually open it up. And there's these pins on the corner. Pull it out. And then the whole thing folds out and open. So you don't have to try to scrape it off the sides. So that's why. Kind of like the springform pans. Similar to a springform, but square. All right, here's more vacuum bags. Ho, 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 Merry Christmas. Looks like about 12 or 10 Santa hats. Paper plates. Congratulations, graduate. A lot of times if these don't sell, I just take them to the house and use them. Then tablecloths, green tablecloths, bunch of those. More paper plates. Oakland Athletes.
Oakland A's.
Oakland A's. Bunch. Oh, here's some yellow zigzags. Oh, another Oakland A's. That's kind of neat. You know, we'll probably sell this as a set. The green. That's what I would do.
Good.
All right, this says 19-piece battery tool. Let's check this out. Pottery tool. Whoa, that's nice.
That is nice.
Boxwood potter's rib, boxwood modeling tool, ribbon tool, sponge, needle tool, loop tool, metal scraper, wire clay cutter, and all of these.
Excellent.
Excellent. Excelente. All right. Here's another one of those springform pans. Rectangle shape. There's a lot in this box. This is the scrapbooking tape. This is a, what is that? Intrepid International hoof pick.
Hoof pick?
For a horse. That's how you used to clean their hooves. I remember doing this at camp when I worked at camp. I was one of the horse wranglers, so I used to work with the horses.
Okay.
Not sure. Some kind of moisturizer. All right. And this is fragile in this kind of a container. That's terrible. GE lighting.
Light bulb.
Light bulb. We'll check it and see if it's not broken. I hate selling light bulbs. It's terrifying. All right. We've got a set of 2 flameless 10-inch plastic drip outdoor tapered candles. So I bet I know what these look like. They've been dripping, but they're plastic and they're actually battery operated. Yeah. These are cool because they look like real candles because of the drippiness. And it comes with the base and the batteries.
Nice.
Yeah. So there's 2 of them in here. So you have 4 candles. If you're interested in any of these items, we're going to be pricing them at the very end of the video. And so stay tuned. You'll see what we want to ask for them price-wise. And then if you would like to purchase them, you just contact me via email, and then we can shoot them off your direction.
Communion cups.
Yep. They're just the plain cups. They're not the ones that are pre-filled. So they have ones that are pre-filled. These are just the plastic cups. So 1,000 of them. Then, let's see what else we got in here. Velcro Extreme Outdoor. This is a big Velcro tape thing. See this strip
15
here?
pounds, yeah.
Yeah. Velcro, you know, crafters, seamstress, lots of people use that kind of stuff. Look at this. This is wire, 16 gauge wire. And this one is flip cookbook holder.
Oh, definitely got to open that.
Yeah, let's see what that looks like.
Or you can try scanning it.
Yeah, I'll try to scan it first. Yeah.
Oh, nice. Is it the wooden holder?
Yeah, maybe we should just open it just to make sure we like it and that it's not broken. It shouldn't be. It's supposed to be in new condition. So a lot of times these boxes are just items that they're thinning out the herd of inventory. Yeah, it's the wooden one. Hold on. Let me get to it. See, it's clear here with an acrylic.
That's cool.
That's really cool. That's neat. Bamboo cookbook holder. Put this back in here. Keep it good. And then I will get that perfectly back in its box. That's a beautiful piece. All right, what else? Not much left in here. Make sure you stay tuned to the pricing part of the show. If you are interested in an item, describing it the same way I did or screenshots is the best way. The Irish gift market. Or doing a timestamp. Like if you can't screenshot on your device, just give me the timestamp of when I showed it on the video. I'll go back to the video, watch it, make sure I get the exact item. Looks like a coffee cup maybe? Kitchen quiche mug. Kitchen quiche mug. This world quiche is Irish labor building roads, canals, and England during the last century. Many of these men were from western town of Kittimaga. See? Let me see. They love their big mug of tea and hence are quiche mugs. So it's like an oversized coffee cup, basically. It's really neat looking.
Very cool.
Yeah, even the inside is cool.
Neat mug.
Neat mug. Okay, what else we got? It says lamp, ivory. My guess is an ivory lamp.
You want to try to scan the barcode?
Sure. Since it's all nicely still packaged 100%. Yes. Oh, it hangs on your headboard. Headboard lamp.
Amazon, it's $26.94.
Nice.
Nice. Very good.
Okay, and then we have one more item, I believe, is all that's left in the box. This looks cool. Deluxe electronic tie rack. Electronic tie rack. Let me see if I can just find a scannable barcode. Here's a barcode. This is a motorized bar or tie rack.
Look at that.
Everybody needs a motorized tie rack.
Exactly.
Everyone needs a motorized tie rack. All right, so we're going to price all these items, lay them all on the table, and show you. All right, we've got everything priced, so let's see what we've got on the table. So first off, we have this deluxe electronic tie rack, $10 for that. We've got the vacuum bags we're going to send to Amazon for $14 after fees for that. $10 for the fall bundle. Then we've got $5 for the 16 gauge copper wire that is gold plated. Then we've got $5 for the like the Scentsy salts. $10 for this bundle of, we're going to do 3 packs of plates and 3 tablecloths, so $10 for all of that. Then we have the Wall Friends Doc McStuffins, $10 for that. The Velcro holder for $5 there. We've got the hoof pick for $5 for horses. Then we've got the pottery toolkit, $10 there. We are going to sell the Yankee Candle, strawberry flavored, for $10. Then the Amazon bags, we're only going to make $1.50 for these vacuum bags, but it's difficult to sell vacuum bags anywhere else. So $1.50 after fees. Then this beautiful large size coffee mug we're going to sell for $10. So communion cups, the whole box of the plastic communion cups, $10 for that. Then we've got the 2 hinged rectangular loaf pans with the loose bottoms, $15 for both of those. Then we're going to do a lot of miscellaneous things. It's got ribbons for craft hair. We've got the accordion bell. We've got some of the tape. We've got the frozen stickers and 2 sets of plates. The zigzag ones and then the graduate plates. So we're going to sell all of that for $10 if you want that. Then we have the candles. We're going to do $5 a piece on those electronic candles. And then this is the headboard lamp that is ivory in color. We're going to send that to Amazon and make $16 after fees. Then we have the cookbook holder, $20. You can buy it right here. So contact me. And then we have the Nightlights. We're actually going to send those because we're going to make $5 a piece on these little Nightlights. So we're sending them to Amazon. We have 6 packs of them. And then the 12-pack of Santa hats, $5 for the whole 12-pack. So if you want any of these items, make sure you contact me. But that brings us to a total of $250.50. Remember, we spent $87 on the box, which brings our total profit to $163.50. Not too bad. We're over doubling our money, and I'm super excited about what we opened here. And if you want anything, contact me at hookedonpickin.com. Shoot me an email. Tell me what you want. And of course, remember in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. If you have not been to Hooked on Pickin recently, go and check it out. We have a ton of brand new product there that we found a new wholesaler for. So go check out hookedonpickin.com, find out some awesome good deals. And of course, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And if you're not yet a subscriber, make sure you subscribe.